What's up, everyone? It's Tasia, aka Tay, rolling with Tay, and this is Folding Bike Adventures. I have a question for you. Have you heard of San Juan Hill? San Juan Hill was a predominantly black neighborhood in the early 1900s. Think Harlem before Harlem. As part of the urban renewal program, destruction for San Juan Hill began a little after World War II and continued through the 1950s. Thousands of families and hundreds of businesses were removed in order to construct Lincoln Center and other buildings in the area. I'll provide some links below so you can find out more about San Juan Hill.